Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to get on Run Deals. But before I do that, I want to tell you Happy New Year. All right, everyone, let me show you what I was able to get on my Run Deals haul this week. I love electronics, especially things for my phone. Right here is what I have and I need. This right here are wireless earphones. Let's check them out. All right, everyone, I want you to check out this a little bit closer. So I'm going to open my box right up and show you the goodies. I'm loving what it has so far. As you can see, it has this black cool case that protects the case. A case that protects the case. I know, wild, right? So all you need to do is lift the case up, and then here you can open it right up, and there are the headphones. As you can see, they're white. They also have this brand in black. Nice and sleek. R for right ear, L for left ear. Soft looking grips. I'm going to try them out and show you. I also love this because you can charge it right inside the case. I want you to check it out. As you can see right there, you press those earphones back in. It's going to charge it right on up. All you need to do is plug it up through here. And there you go. You have some headphones. I'm going to show you how to install them, so let's check it out. All right, I want to show you how to put the wireless headphones in, and as you can see, very easy, very lightweight. I'm not feeling it. It's not discomforting. I'm liking this. This is a great buy. Run Deals have everything. I promise you that. With that being said, download that app and tell your friend to as well. Why wouldn't you do it?